Alright, so in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to actually build a website with a text document, like no joke. So here's how you'll do it. You first want to do this doc type HTML, then HTML right there, and bam. Afterwards you want to create a head, and in this one to just want to make a title for the document. And it's going to be, I'm just going to say HTML and txt, and then below that I'm going to create a body. So what we're going to do is that I'm going to create an h1 element, and then I'm going to allow me to click a button, and then that button will turn the h1 element red. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to create an h1. I'm going to say hello world, and then going to create a button now. I'm going to call this button click me, and then below the body I'm going to create a script tag right here, and then I'm going to create a function, and I'm going to say, I'm going to call it turn red, like that. In it I'm just going to say, actually wait, I need this h1 element, give it an ID of, let's just say test for the sake of this. I'm going to say document dot get element by ID with the parentheses. I'm going to do test, and then I'm going to dot style dot color equal two double quotes. I want to say red with a semicolon, and then I'm going to come to the button right here, on click equal two double quotes again, and then the function name turn red, just like that. Then I'm going to go right here above head, I'm going to create style, and then I'm going to say asterisk padding 0, margin 0, box sizing border box, save, and yeah, that should be it. So now save the document, close out of it, and then what you want to do is to rename it. So now rename it index, and then all you have to do is put in HTML, enter. It's going to give you this message, say yes. Then it's a HTML document, double click, then you'll get this right here, and if you click on it, there you go, it turns red.